So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, everyone, and we are back with the market analysis, everyone. So as we have talked it yesterday, so very similar thing has happened in the market. As I have told you that the market is going to be tomorrow, is going to open up, and then all the gains are going to vanish, but there will be consolidated market. So same thing has happened. Let me show you it on the hourly chart. So here is the hourly chart. So if you know, I have predicted that the expectation is that the market will open gap up. So here is the closing of the previous day was as 14,644 and today's opening was at 14,711. So as you can see, I have told you that market is going to open gap up and then all the gains are going to vanish. So same thing has happened. So now you can understand the accuracy that we are working with. So very same thing has happened, and now after today's closing, if you can see, the Nifty 50 is now getting closer to its support zone. Now Nifty 50 is at let me show you by this. So Nifty 50 now at 14,496. Today's closing for the Nifty 50 is 14,496 and our support is near 14,253. So around 250 points only remaining till the support. So I'm hoping that this will happen in this week itself. Market will touch its support in this week itself. So yeah, I'm positive about that today also. So yeah, now what are the expectations from tomorrow's Nifty 50? So tomorrow's expectations to me are kind of little bearish, but I'm hoping for another candle near these two candles only. A little low, but near these two candles only. Third candle. So yeah, not a positive day I'm expecting tomorrow. A very similar candle that has been made today. I'm expecting very similar candle tomorrow also. But let's see what happens, because till now our prediction are completely accurate. 100% accuracy we are operating at as of now. So hoping for the same tomorrow also. Looking for a bearish day with the little consolidated only, means the candle will be in line with these two candle, but a green candle I'm expecting. So yeah, shorting opportunities will be there, because if you see today, and I kept on telling you that we should short the market on every given opportunity. You can see that today was a great shorting opportunities, because on the opening hour itself market has opened gap up, as I have told you, and then has made it high also in that hour only, and from there market has just fall to end below the 14,500 level. So yeah, till now everything is going good, everything is going fine, as to what we have expected. So hoping for the same tomorrow also. Now moving to the bank nifty. So here is the Nifty Bank, and again another candle at its weekly support, as you can see this. So yeah, my expectations were from the Bank Nifty is that it will fall much, but so whatever we have talked, similar thing has happened. The Bank Nifty has made another candle near its weekly support. So yeah, the thing is that market is getting consolidated near its weekly support. Market is finding it tough to break down below its weekly support, and we have talked about it today also. As you can see, closing was, we can see a little, if I'll zoom in a bit, I can show you the closing was a bit lower than the line, but it's the closing, today's closing was also in the weekly range itself. So yeah, this is the thing. The market is taking support near the Bank Nifty's weekly support. Now what the thing is that if market is not able to, if market will not be able to break down below the this support zone in the starting 2 hours, tomorrow's market, then what I'm expecting is a little recovery in the market. A little recovery I'm expecting. If it is not able to break down the support in the initial hours, then I'm expecting a little bit of recovery from the Bank Nifty, or may so happen that we see those recovery in the early hours itself, because now there are two candles that has been made near the near the support zone. So now it means that market is finding it tough to break down below this support zone. That's why I'm expecting a little bit of recovery from here. If market is not able to go below this support zone tomorrow, then we will be seeing a little bit of recovery movement in the bank nifty. That's my expectations. If we see on the hourly chart, so here is the, I think, okay, so here is the today's opening for the bank nifty, and as you can see, bank nifty has ended its day resting on the support, resting in the support zone. So now the thing is that it is also showing that today also market has taken a little bit of support yesterday. Then today, as we can see, a little bit of recovery movement was shown by the bank nifty, then again resting on its support zone. So that's why I'm tomorrow expecting that as the market opens, then I think bank nifty will try to go below this weekly support. If that does not happen, then we'll be seeing a little bit of recovery in the bank nifty. That's my expectations from the bank nifty and nifty. I hope you are very clear as to what I am saying. And now moving to the intraday stocks that we had picked for the yesterday we picked. So first was IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank Limited. So as we told you, to be short on the IndusInd Bank, as you can see, IndusInd Bank was down by 0.38% today. So yeah, bearish movement. So I hope you guys were able to book some good profit. Okay, so I think it's a good note. Opening was of this candle was at 9:30 and closing was at 9:10, and I have told you to short the stock. So for us it was a movement of 20 rupees today. Opening was at 9:30. You can see opening closing here, and I am standing here at the fourth my candle. So opening was at 9:30 and closing was at the 9:10. This percentage and this price change shown is comparative to the previous close, but we are intraday traders, so we are concerned with intraday itself. So you can see opening was at 9:30 and closing was at the 9:10. So I hope you guys were able to book some good profit today. As I have told you to short the IndusInd Bank. SBI Life, I have told you to be long on the SBI Life, and you can see SBI Life has closed its day 0.253% in gain. 24 rupees, it is up by 24 rupees. So I hope you guys were able to book profit in this also. That's a good thing. Two stocks are in profit. Bharti Airtel, I think Bharti Airtel, our trade went wrong. It went wrong. Our trade went wrong in the Bharti Airtel. Stop loss was triggered, as I have told you to be long on the Bharti Airtel, but it has fallen. So now for tomorrow's trading, again I'm giving you two stocks. First is IndusInd Bank, and this is IndusInd Bank, and I am short on IndusInd Bank till it reaches its support. So yeah, be short on the IndusInd Bank. And second is BPCL. Here is the BPCL, and then what I can see in the BPCL is an indecision candle. If market opens above the 421.45, then be long. If opens below it, then you can be short on the Bharat Petroleum. So it is going to be a momentum trade. Wherever the momentum takes us, we will drive with that. So I hope the Bharat Petrol Corporation's levels are also very clear to all of you. So all these levels are clear to all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, guys. Press that bell icon to receive daily notifications. Thank you so much.